Hey, I want to talk about the United States Constitution and how important it is. So these government officials always going around and they are swearing or affirming on the Constitution because one of the clauses says the supremacy clause. It's the supreme law of the land. That is some importance. No matter what they do, you should always revert back to that because that's where all our right stands, and you just have to let them know, the judges and them, that hey, no, you're a living man, and we the people created the Constitution, which we are all the beneficiaries of. The governmental entities are fiduciaries and trustees. They're supposed to uphold that. That's why they swear an oath to it and why they're in office. So if you enter in court for a traffic violation, did they give you due process? Are you facing your criminal or the person that's accusing you? If you all go in there and it has the plaintiff, the state of, or some other legal fiction on as the plaintiff, and you're the defender, then you should be challenging where's your accuser, because Walmart is up in there. Well, who's Walmart? Walmart's not in here. So it's just almost like my foreclosure case. If I never showed up, that I will automatically lose. So nobody really shows up to accuse you. So therefore, the case should be dropped. And for civil cases and lawsuits, did they go through the administrative process? Did they send you notices, or did they just show up and just rip your car out your parking lot, practically stole it without giving you any notices or anything? They supposed to be notifying you all this stuff. Why? It's called due process. You're supposed to have all. They're supposed to go through a whole process before they can even take something. That way, you can have a chance uh, to do your claim. Like, no, I'm the owner. I gave them a security, and all that. So, the United States Constitution is very important, and you can use it. Why do people have to? When you go to court, you should be asking a few things like, "Hey, who, uh, what laws are you governing under?" Now I'm just stumbling. No, you should be asking questions when you go into court. First, you need to find out if it's criminal or civil, so you can know which route to take. If it's civil, then you know that they have administrative process needed to be done. If it's criminal, you know that accuser need to be present to be even accusing of. I'm going to be talking more about the United States Constitution as I dive really deep into it. But yeah, go use the AI and break it down for you.